Is UAT an agile process? What I mean by UAT is what I see in a lot of large organizations. It's a phase after a release or a version is built where professional testers, different testers from the development team will go through and test an application end to end with lots of user scenarios and try and find as many bugs as they possibly can after it's been released. They spend 1 week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 months sometimes testing the heck out of this piece of software to find any defects they can. Is this an agile process? It's very common. It's very common in teams that claim to be agile. It's very common in large organizations, but it's not effective from the point of view of agility. Why do I say that? Well, you're introducing a feedback loop. You're introducing delay to getting information about whether a particular feature has been built correctly. You're introducing uncertainty. You're introducing risk. You're actually defeating the purpose of trying to improve your process. A UAT phase is a sign of a flaw in your agile development process. If you must have subject matter experts who are going to come in and test your application from the point of view of the user, don't do it at the end. Do it at the start. Get them in, get them collaborating with the team, get them coming up with the acceptance criteria, get them defining the user journeys, even if it's across multiple stories, even if it spans a whole epic, doesn't matter. Get them doing it at the start and collaborating with the team and figuring out the best way to test those flows, whether it be exploratory testing, automated testing, whatever, during the work of the developers. So the developers, the development team, gets their feedback quickly and efficiently. And then when it's done, it's done. That's the essence of Agile. You want to put things into production that are done. You want to release things that are done and move on to the next thing. The last thing you want is getting feedback a month later or 3 months later that something you did was not up to scratch and you need to go and change it. That just slows everything down and introduces waste into your process. So, in conclusion, is UAT an agile practice? No, it is not. It's a sign of a flaw in your agile development practice. And you need to figure out not how to do your UAT better, but how to do your development practices better so that you don't need this concept of a UAT phase. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for listening.